Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. For this one, we need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So we need to put about yc, that is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to find first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second the derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And third the derivative of yc, and we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. Now this one that is about complementary solutions. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s minus number 3 lambda square e to the power of lambda s, and the last one. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to find the solution of this one. So for this one, we have lambda equals to number 0, lambda equals to number 2, lambda equals to number 1. So in this one, we have yc, that is about c number 1, e to the power of 0s. We have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2, e to the power of 2s, and c number 3, e to the power of 1s. So we change lambda into this one, e to the power of 0s, you have number 1, so we put c number 1. This one that is about 2s, this one that is about s. About particular solutions, we can see that we have e to the power of 2s, and because this one repeat again in here, so we need to put about 8s e to the power of 2s. In this one, we don't see about y, but we want to create about s square. So that means we need to put about bs to the power of 3 plus cs square plus ds. So why I need to put about s to the power of 3 but not about s square? Because if we do first the derivative of this one they will become 3s square b, and now they just beginning at about s square from here. That's why we need to put original of yb from s to the power of 3, the highest power, that is about this one. So why don't I need to put about the constant? because in this one they repeat about C number 1. So that's why we don't need about a constant in here. So in this situation, we have like this. Now we need to do first the derivative of yb. And in this one, we have 8e to the power of 2x. And this one we have 2a s e to the power of 2s. This one we have 3b s squared. This one we have 2cs. This one we have d. Now we go to second derivative of yb. This one that is about 28 e to the power of 2s. This one we have 28 e to the power of 2s. This one we have 48 s e to the power of 2s. This one number 2s, number 2 with number 3, that is about number 6. This one that is about 2c. And the last one, this one that is about 48 e to the power of 2s. So we can see that this one repeat again. So that is about 48 e to the power of 2s. This one that is about 48 e to the power of 2s. This one that is about 8 s e to the power of 2s. This one that is about 6b. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Now we need to simplify number 2 and number 2. That is about number 4. So number 4, and number 4, that is about number 12. So now we have this one. So I will go fast a little bit. So this one, number 12, go in here, 48 go in here, and 8 go in here. So this one we have 12a minus number 3 multiplied by number 4 plus number 2a. So this one we have 28 e to the power of 2s. This one, if we put this thing go in here, you got number 0. This one we have 3bs squared multiplied by number 2, and that is about 6bs squared. Next, number 2 multiplied by number 2, and number 6 multiplied by negative number 3. This one we have about 4c minus 18bs. The last one, that is about the constant. So we have 2d negative number 6c and positive 6b. So in this one equals to this one. So we can see that 28 equals to number 2, 24 equals to 6b, This one we don't have s, so for c minus 18b equals to number 0. And the last one we don't have the constant, so 2d minus 6c plus 6b equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c, d. So this is the answer of a, b, c, d. After you got a, b, c, d, we go back in here. So we put 8, that is about number 1. B, that is about number 4. C, that is about 18. D, that is about 42. And now we got the final answer. So YC we have this one, and YB we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.